Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to share white notes on Instagram. Sharing white notes can help you communicate creatively with your followers, adding a personal touch to your posts. So, let's get started on how to share white notes on Instagram. To share white notes, make sure you have updated the Instagram to the latest version. If your Instagram app is up to date, then open the Instagram app. Tap on the message option from the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the Your Note option at the top left corner. Tap on it. To get the white notes effect, simply type either very demure or very mindful as your note. Finally, share the note by tapping on the share icon from the top right corner of your screen. And just like that, your white note is now shared on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.